Honey,
Yeah?
where are we going?
Today I'm going to show you a forest in a city.
What?
Yes. You're not even going to be able to see the city anymore.
What? City? You sure? It's not really
Well,
we're
here's
going
the city,
outside.
right? This is
Yeah.
Toronto.
Yeah, this is the city. See?
Yeah, this is Toronto.
Yeah, maybe look like a village, but
Well, not much of it. It's a school, you know.
yes.
And that's townhouses over there.
Oh yeah, this is.
So it is. So we're going to show a whole. I'm going to show you where we're going to go deep in the woods. It's going to look like, you know, maybe a village area.
Village area.
Very deep in the woods.
Okay, so we try to find a forest in city.
The city is built around a huge forest. There's forests everywhere here. To the
So-
point where you're not even going to see the building, you know?
Really?
Yeah, you're not even going to see it.
Okay, let's go have
Okay,
a look.
let's go. Come on. So here he is. You see no buildings, no nothing. Just an empty forest.
That's beautiful.
This is within Toronto.
Ah,
We're still in Toronto right now.
you know, really worth the weight climbing. It's so tiring.
We're on the mountain right now.
Yeah.
See right there? You can go see the mountain.
Wow. Can see. Let's show the scenery.
Yeah.
That's Lake Ontario.
Yes, that's Lake Ontario.
Look at this. Beautiful
Yeah.
scenery.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. Very tiring.
Yeah. Yeah, actually the lake is so nice.
You're gonna lose your shoe in a minute. Away from there. Come on. Phoenix. You're not gonna hold my hand. You're not gonna pick it up. Nope. This is, yeah, careful. I don't know what this is. Leave it alone.
Anyways, thank you, honey. It's really worth it.
This is what we can see in Toronto. There's many things like this in Toronto, you know? Many little parks. Not, we call them little parks. Maybe for you guys it's a big park.
Yeah, for me, this is actually really big lake.
Yeah.
Really big lake.
Yes. This is all big here. So let's go. Now
That's
we have to
really
find
nice.
our way back to the road.
Yes.